Hi friends, welcome to our channel. It seems like you are thinking about a compact and versatile washing machine designed for travel or small living spaces. These portable washing machines are great for camping trips, RV living, or small apartments where traditional laundry setups aren't feasible. They typically feature a folding design for easy storage, a large capacity for washing clothes, and some even include a spin dryer function for quicker drying times. Their ultrasonic feature may help in achieving a deeper clean by using high-frequency sound waves to agitate the wet water and a detergent mixture. If you're considering purchasing one, make sure to check the capacity, dimensions, power source requirements, and any additional features such as adjustable settings or timers to ensure it meets your needs. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper usage and maintenance to get the most out of your portable washing machine. So here are product sell points. Wash and drain in one exclusive drain basket. Gentle clothing used with the drain program gently separate the residual moisture of the clothes to avoid violent dehydration causing the clothes to be pulled and deformed. Intelligent 3-gear timing to meet your different needs. 3-gear time adjustment, choose according to the degree of laundry. The folding design doesn't take up space and it can be easily stored in the living room, balcony, and etc. And this machine is called Bear Mini Washing Machine. It has capacity up to 5 liters. Okay, and here is very mini washing machine, USB rotating turbine portable washing machine for socks, underwear, or wash dishes for travel, home, and business trip. The mini washing machine features a unique USB rotating turbine that makes it easy to wash small loads of clothes, socks, and dishes. This compact washing machine is perfect for travel or home business trips as it can be easily carried around and used anywhere. So if you're interested, all links you can look and find down below.